There are a lot of ways to carry fixed blade knives, and there are a lot of ways to use paracord to do that. In fact, previously I showed how you can use the prusik knot to rig up your fixed blade knife sheath to your belt so that you can carry it in one of three positions: scout, cross draw, or vertically on the hip. However, the problem with that method is that you had to choose between horizontal and vertical carry. But what if I told you there was a prusik knife knot that can be tied once but still allow you to carry in both positions for 5 ways in total? Well, you can, and I'm going to show you how right now. We're using multi-purpose nylon paracord from paracordweavers.com, of course, and it starts with the aforementioned prusik knot. I'm going to make mine around my lacing needle by making a lark's head and then wrapping the running ends around one additional time to form the prusik hitch. This is a great knot that a lot of climbers use apparently, but I'm not a climber, so don't take my word for it. From there, notice the orientation of the knife handle, as that matters a bit, as I'll explain later. But the right running end is going to pass through the bottom right hole on the sheath. We're going to do the same on the other side with the left running end. Then going back to the right side, it's going to come back to the front through the hole on the top right. Then do the same thing on the other side, but just mirrored, of course. After that, both running ends are going to go back through the first holes they went through on the respective sides, so that we're back to the back for a second time. Same goes for the left side. If the holes on your sheath aren't large enough for 2 strands, you could always try gutting the cord, and it should have no problem then for 2 strands. As we move to the back this time, the cords are going to cross over each other to form an X on the back of the sheath before they pass through the holes at the top of the sheath one last time from the back to the front, where they will then do the final move of passing through the opposite ends of the prusik hitch, and that's why I have my lacing needle in place to do that easily. If you don't have a lacing needle, you can always use something like a thin pencil. Just get both ends passed through going in opposite directions. And the final step is to tie a stopper knot on each end. Just make those 2 to 3 wraps around the index finger going towards the standing end, then pass the running end through those loops and pull tight. A double overhand knot should suffice, but I like the triple overhand barrel knot just because I think it looks better. It's also important to leave a couple of inches of length on these tails coming out of the whole setup because they're needed for this to function, as you're soon about to see. And then of course snip off any excess you have left over after the stopper knots. Now as for lashing this onto your sheath or belt, it's quite simple, but not as easy as the original version. You work some slack from the running ends to the loops, and then you can pass your belt through. Then to secure it, you just tighten everything down by pulling on those stopper knots. So depending on how you want to carry your knife, you will pass your belt through the loops on the back according to what you need. So with this example tied on my Civivi Tamashi, I can do scout carry, and I know this method is a little controversial to some people, so just don't carry like this if you think you're going to fall on your ass. Butt end forward hip carry, weak or dominant side. I think if you're going to carry on the hip, the cowboy butt end forward draw is the best and easiest. With the smaller knife like my SC Azula, I can do the cross draw horizontal carry. Now notice the orientation of the prusik knot in relation to the handle though. What's really cool about this method is that you can actually lash it onto your belt on either side of the sheath. However, depending on which side you tied it on, the prusik knot may be on the inside or against your body. It still works on both sides, but you might feel the knot against your hip, so depending on how tight your belt is, you may or may not feel it. That being said, this simple method uses paracord only and allows you to carry a knife in up to 5 positions on your person, whether it be right-handed or left-handed cross draw, vertical, or scout carry using one simple knot. Also, if you want to see more methods of fixed blade carry using paracord, check these videos out.